It's almost here. Can you feel it? The air is changing. The hearts are softening. The road to Ramadan that we've been walking for the last few weeks has led us right here, to the doorstep of the month of mercy. You've done the work. You woke up, you detoxed, you trained, and you simplified. Now, it's not about the to-do list anymore. It's about the to-be list. Who are you going to be when that first night begins? Many people enter Ramadan feeling guilty about their past or worried they aren't holy enough. But listen, Ramadan isn't for the perfect. It's for the broken who want to be healed. It's for the sinner who wants to be forgiven. Allah doesn't want your perfection. He wants your presence. In these final days of Shaban, don't focus on your fears. Focus on His generosity. The gates of heaven are about to open. The gates of hell are about to close. And the devils are about to be chained. The odds are finally in your favor. This isn't just another month on the calendar. It's your chance for a total reset. Tonight, I want you to finalize your launch protocol, the dua list. Write down 3 big things you want to ask Allah for this Ramadan. Don't be shy. Ask for the impossible. The intention. Look in the mirror and say it out loud. I am doing this for Allah, and I am ready to change. The celebration. Spread the joy. Call a family member or a friend and tell them you're excited. Let's make the Ummah of the heart contagious. The road ends here, but your journey is just beginning. Thank you for walking this path with me. I pray that this Ramadan is the one that changes your life forever, the one that heals your heart, and the one that brings you closest to the most merciful. The road continues, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you all for the sake of Allah. Assalamu alaikum.